Hi, I'm Terry from Arcanine Trailer. In this segment, the next thing we're going to talk about is tires and wheels. So what I have here in my hand is a torque wrench. The wheel nuts on these trailers require torque. Every trailer is different. This trailer would be torqued to 100 foot-pounds. So we would set our torque wrench and we would check these wheel lugs. We would check them in a star pattern. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. It is a good idea to inspect the torque on your wheel nuts before each trip. Not everybody has a torque wrench, so any tire shop should be able to check them for you, or you can buy a fairly affordable torque wrench at places like Canadian Tire and such. Another thing of note, so with these trailers, no RV comes with a jack to lift the trailer or a wheel wrench to replace the wheel if you were to have a blowout. A lot of people don't want to tackle that on the side of the highway. It is a daunting task to have to change a wheel on your RV. You can use the jack from your vehicle, and the wheel wrench you'd have to check if the size is correct. And if not, you'd have to purchase those items, a bottle jack and a lug wrench. If not, you can get roadside assist, and if you ever have a blowout, then it's simply a call to get someone out to help you. Another thing we want to make sure is before each trip, we want to make sure our tires are in good condition. We don't want to have a blowout and need to change that tire. So one of the things I look for here is I inspect the sidewalls, for cracking, any weather cracking, checking. If there's any cracking, we would need to change those tires. Now, UV rays are pretty bad for rubber. If you're storing your trailer and it's always facing the same direction, you'd probably have a situation where maybe the driver's side faces the sun and you get cracking on the tires. In those instances, there are covers that you can buy to protect and cover the wheels while in storage. Another thing you're going to want to check is the treads. You're going to want to inspect that the treads are even. If there's uneven wear, it could indicate a deeper problem like a wheel alignment issue. If the wear is even, everything's good. You're going to check for cracking in between the treads, and if you don't see any, you're good to go. A wheel could pop with a road hazard, but the most common blowouts are caused by lack of maintenance and not checking. So be sure to inspect those tires before each trip. So that's it on our tires. If you have any questions, please feel free to visit one of our many locations or give us a call and we'll help you out. Thanks very much.